Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will discuss about SEMrush, one of the most powerful digital marketing tools available. We will cover what it is, why it is used, and how it can help your business grow online. SEMrush is all-in-one marketing toolkit designed for SEO, paid advertising, content marketing, and social media management. It provides data and insights to help businesses improve online visibility. Marketers use SEMrush because it combines multiple tools in one platform instead of using different software for SEO, ads, and social media. SEMrush gives you everything in a single place. SEMrush has many features, but some of the most important include keyword research, site audit, position tracking, backlink analysis, competitor research, and content marketing tools. The keyword research tool shows search volume, keyword difficulty, trends, and related keywords. It helps you find the best search term to target for SEO and PPC campaigns. The site audit feature scans your website for technical issues like broken links, missing tags, and slow pages. It then gives you a clear action plan to fix them and improve your SEO health score. Position tracking lets you monitor your keyword ranking daily. You can track both desktop and mobile results and compare your performance to competitors. Backlink analysis in SEMrush helps you see who is linking to your site and to your competitors. You can identify high-quality links to keep and toxic links to remove. With SEMrush, you can spy on competitors' strategy. It shows their top keywords, best performing pages, and ads. This helps you find new opportunities and improve your own campaigns. The content marketing toolkit helps you plan, create, and optimize content. It suggests trending topics, keywords, and outlines to improve your blog posts and articles. SEMrush also includes social media management tools. You can schedule posts, track engagement, and monitor brand mentions from a single dashboard. SEMrush saves time, gives reliable data, and allows you to manage SEO, ads, and content in one place. It's perfect for businesses that want to stay ahead of competitors. SEMrush is all-in-one marketing platform that provides tools for SEO, PPC, content marketing, and social media. It helps you analyze data, find opportunities, and execute strategies effectively. Thank you for watching. Start using SEMrush to track your performance, beat competitors, and grow your business online. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.